Eating, drinking, and doing whatever, and then going to the doctor and saying, fix all my ailments, is not how it's going to work. You need to be putting that work in the beginning before you go to the doctors. The same thing applies with mental health. If you're not doing things to look after your mental health, and then you're going to a psychologist and you're saying, sort me out, yes, they can help, and they absolutely will. But think about what you're doing already before you go and see that psychologist. Are there things that you've tried to do to look after yourself? If you're genuinely clueless and you don't know what to do, of course, go and see your GP, go and see a mental health professional. But are you eating foods that aren't going to nourish your mind and your body? Are you drinking things that are going to make your mind and your body and your nervous system overreact? Coffee, if you're already anxious and you're having coffee and energy drinks, it's probably going to make it worse. Sometimes we have to self-reflect on what we're doing to ourselves before we seek professional support.